Hi guys, good morning! As you can see, it's sunny day today. Napakaganda ng panahon. Mamaya guys, ay flight na namin going somewhere. Mamayang 1 PM. Time check, it's already 7:25. Kagaling ko lang sa work ko guys. Yes, nag-work pa ako ng 15 hours. Sayang naman guys ang sahod. Kasi alam niyo naman, nagpapagawa tayo ng bahay sa Pilipinas. Kaya kailangan natin ng pera. Nag-drive pa ako guys, papunta dito sa Jordan Valley. Kasi mayroon akong bibilihin guys sa Walgreen dito sa Jordan Valley. Bibili ako guys ng cough syrup kay Nathan kasi merong binebenta dito guys, dito lang sa Walgreen na to na effective kay Nathan. Ayan. Tapos hindi ko alam kung dadaan pa ako ng Walmart guys. And then uwi na ako, maggagayak. Igagayak ko na yung mga bata. And then i-double check ko yung mga kailangan, baka may nakalimutan pa ako. Anyway, naggawa naman ako ng list ko guys para wala akong makalimutan. Lakad na tayo guys. Yan ang Jordan Valley. Dito ako pupunta guys sa Walgreen. 7:30 magbubukas. 7:25 na guys. Kaya papasok na ako. Guys, andito na ako ulit sa aking sasakyan. Wala tayong nabili guys na umka. Wala daw silang stock guys. Kaya nanguha na lang ako ng kahit ano. Walang choice guys. Ito na lang yung kinuha ko. Ayan. Yung brand nila. Hi kids.
Hi kids. Hi kids.
We are on our way to the airport. We are almost late. Hi. Where's the baby? Baby is there at the back. Sleepy. Sleepy.
Look at that.
Terminal. Going to the parking over here. Look at that. Ooh, this guy is driving at the middle.
Even after he saw like they put their left lane close.
He's confused. Look at that. Terminal. We're almost there. Donna was telling me, sis, upload more pictures so that we'll be seeing also Kenya. I said, okay. What car is this? Is Buick.
Quick, oh,
Buick. Buick. But you know, they make it nice. The way they make the logo now.
Well, people are driving like crazy.
We are here. We are here in the terminal. Oops. Check in. The bag. Check in. Come here. No. Come here. Yeah. You're going to Kenya. Now check in bag. It's going up. You're not scared, Nathan?
Complimentary beverages with a snack basket in first class. In our main cabin, we're offering a selection of complimentary beverages with snacks. Alcoholic beverages are available in the main cabin. As we prepare for the onboard service, you may begin using approved electronic devices. Wi-Fi and free entertainment are available on today's flight.
Yung flight namin papuntang London. We'll be using Iberia. Ayun. Dun kami sa gate D9 over there. In na kami. Dito kami sa Charlotte papuntang London. London.
Yeah, it's London. London.
Nathan. Hi. Hey, baby. Ito na kami sa London, guys. may pila sa labas papuntang Terminal 5. Yung arrival namin kanina, Terminal 3. Hindi na kami pumila. Kasi may bata kami. Pag may bata, hindi na pipila. This is our food sa my British Airways. I got chicken curry. What do you have, Mahal? Chicken curry? Let me see. That's it.
Much better than that.
With veggies? I think that's kale or spinach.
Maybe spinach.
Kain na ako kasi nagugutom na ako. At matutulog ako. Bangon tulog.
Chicken curry. Spinach. Tapos rice. Meron silang brownie. Tapos namin kumain, guys. Masarap yung pagkain nila. Hindi siya sobrang maanghang. Parang siya yung maanghang na kaya mong i-tolerate. Ayan. Naubos namin yung pagkain nila, yung main na meal. Si Nathan, hindi kumain. Ayan, tulog siya. Hindi naman niya makakain yun, guys, kasi maanghang para sa kanya yun. Tapos, dito pala, guys, sa may British Airways, maluwang ang upuan. Tapos yung isa, nandun sa baba, oh, natutulog. Pwede naman kapag seatbelt off, pwedeng bumaba siya. Pero kapag naka-on yung seatbelt, kailangan namin siyang kunin. Ayun yung mga pagkain na hindi pa namin nakain. Ting oras na lang. How many hours mo? Mga 8:30 kami makakarating sa Kenya. 8:30 PM. Anong oras na? Mali ito. Sa US ito. 1:30 PM na. Ay, mahabang oras pa. Bababa na kami sa Nairobi.
Yep. We have 10 more minutes to go.
We are almost there in our second home. Yay! Dito na kami sa Kenya. Pick up na ng bag. Naka-pick up lang ng mga bag. Ayun, tumulong sa amin. Nathan, say hi. Kakalabas namin sa airport, guys. Yun, yes. Welcome to Kenya. Nairobi ito. Kamag-anak niya. Hi. And si Eli. Eli and the baby is here. Yeah. Chero, welcome to Kenya. Asante, asante. Ayun. Wala si Nathan. Kinuha nila yung sasakyan. Si Nathan.